to this point, I've already shampooed, treated, and blow dried my hair. I also did a really good detangle, before, during, and after this process. At this point, I am plaiting my hair up. I'm getting it braided down as far as possible, but I'm going to take a shower so that my ends curl up. I also like to kind of establish my edges as I go so that it's kind of reinforced and I'm not braiding up my edge hair. I have baby hair, so if you have baby hair, definitely want to get that kind of styled out of the way so you're not pulling on it and putting stress on it. To establish the partings, I'm just doing a C shape, simple arc shape, and I'm doing these scalloped parts, which is what you will call them, because it's a easier type of parting to do when you're styling on your own head. It also gives you a more realistic look when you're wearing these locks, and it really does make it look really full and just natural as they get older. So I really recommend this parting over box parts or triangles or any other shape. You can do whatever you like, but this is the way that I definitely recommend, and this is the way that I do on most of my clients. I applied a cream before I started twisting. It was just Shea Moisture Red Palm Butter. I really love the consistency and texture of that butter. So I just advise putting something on your hair to moisturize it, because your hair is going to be tucked away for quite a while and you don't want it to be brittle and dry when you take the locks out. So that's just a little tip there. That's something I do for myself and my clients. Another thing I do is I braid all the way down to the end. This just makes sure that it doesn't unravel and I don't end up like having my hair mat up inside of the lock. So what I'm doing is adding my booster to my scalp. On the actual strands of hair, I'm using the Red Palm, the moisturizer on the actual strands of hair for the length of my hair so that it's moisturized in this style since it's going to be tucked away. But yeah, applying the booster to my scalp, and you see me now putting the moisturizer on the ends of my hair so that I can plait it down. So here I am applying more of the Red Palm butter, and I'm actually combing through it with a fine tooth comb as well. That is the key to length retention, just making sure that your hair is stretched as much as possible. Anytime that you're keeping your hair from curling back on itself, you're helping with your hair being able to retain its length and to not break off. The beauty of this style is that the parts don't have to be perfect. And with the C shape, it's actually pretty hard to mess up the partings. So that's why I recommend doing this. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you've been doing it forever. You won't be able to tell the difference between someone who does this professionally and someone who just picked up the comb for the first time to do their first set of extendos. So you see me again putting my cream on, which is that red palm. It smells so good, that Shea Moisture cream that I included in your kit. And then I'm just cleaning up my parts because I'm a bit of a perfectionist. But as you can see, all of these parts are not the same. They're similar, but they're not like exactly symmetric in the same shape. That's the beauty of locks. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's natural, it's just carefree, and it's pretty once we install the locks and wrap it. So stay encouraged, keep going, it's gonna look great. Originally, this video was going to be part of a course that I put together and I was selling on my website, but now it's free and I am actually just teaching this skill set one-on-one, hands-on at my salon. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, but not just how to do this, how to turn the training that you get on how to do the style into a profitable business and into money in your pocket, then check us out at the Boss Lab. It is DVA, Diamond Venom Artistry, DVABossLab.com. We look forward to seeing you there. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Hey Queens, one last thing. There is a follow-up video to this Extendo install video where you can see the final look and how I actually install and wrap my locks on myself. And you can see the final look. If you watch this video all the way to the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can know the next time I upload. Okay, now at this point I'm pretty much done with all my plaits. I'm applying the booster to my scalp because it promotes hair growth and prevents dandruff, and then I'm going behind it with the leave-in hair and scalp treatment. That stuff is awesome. These two things together will have your scalp feeling really minty and like it can breathe, but it's a great way to moisturize your hair before install. Alright Queens, see you in the next video.